Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking around Hamster Combat. We'll be looking at how you can get multiple Hamster Combat keys without playing this mini puzzle one after the other. So one thing you must understand is that Hamster Combats have been introduced in a lot of games in the past few weeks. That is quite fascinating, right? Looking at it, it shows that each games you play, you can get four of this key. That is plus four of that very key. Okay, you can get plus four of that very key for each game. So imagine you play two games, you get plus four again. Another game, you get plus four. Another game, you get plus four, which you can quickly get total of eight in just few seconds or few minutes, depending how faster you are. So this is very going to be very much okay for those of us that knows how to play game. All right. If you do not know how to play game, no big deal. Still, you can continue doing your mini, and you'll be getting it because every day, I think almost every day, I'm dropping um this mini key unlocked on my channel. So let's quickly look at where we can get a whole of this. You come to this play background quickly. Come to this play background quickly. Open the play background. You can see Hamster have introduced Hamster have introduced six games. You can see here, three here, and three here as well. Hamster have introduced six games in the past few weeks. So all you just need to do is to start playing those games and start winning for yourself. So how do we play these games? You must understand that these games is not yet downloaded. It's showing you here, but it must be downloaded. The only ones that are new are these two. They were recently added, but this one, two, three, four, they're a bit old. Okay, so if you want to play this game, what you just need to do is to come here to click on this game. If you click on this game, it's going to show you to what to play. If you click on the play, you're going to download this game through your Play Store. Allow it to load carefully. So you come to this place to install this game. It is when this game is being installed that you'll be able to play it. And the game is what? Twerk Race 3D fun run game. Okay, you can just go over it and you can see you'll be seeing something of this very nature and it will be able to work out for you. So the next thing, if you want to play the next one still, go to your Play Store and also install the game. Keep playing. When you play, you win a lot of keys. That is the rules. Okay, if you play, you win a lot of keys. That is the rules. And if you play successfully and you won, you will make four keys. You will receive four keys. This one as well, you receive four keys. This one as well is you will receive four keys. That is 4 by 3, that is 12. Another 4 by 3, that is 12, which is 24 plus 24. So this shows you how you can get 24 Hamster Combat keys on a spot. Alright. So that will be all today. If you do have any question, do not forget drop it at the comment sections and I will get to and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.